everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I come up with another new recipe. This is very easy and simple recipe, and this is for breakfast or you can eat any snack time. Today I am going to show you spicy chickpeas. These are black chickpeas which I have soaked it for overnight and I boiled it. So I don't pressure cooker this because I don't like using pressure cooker because of the pressure built up in that and destroys the nutritional value. So here I just boil it directly on the stove, but you can even use the cane one, because if you think that you can't do from scratch, then the option is cane one. The other ingredients we need are garlic and dry red chillies. These are main ingredients. I need at least 4 to 5 garlic cloves and 4 to 5 red chillies and 1 spoon. These are lentils, cumin seeds and mustard seeds all together for tempering, and taken pink salt. You can take any salt, half spoon pink salt. So chana is 1.5 bowl and some oil. I've taken pan just after getting little bit heat. Then I've added 2 spoons oil, then all temperings and the garlic and even the salt. Then I'm going to mix them well. I'm going to wait till it turns little brown. The lentil should turn brown and garlic should be little bit roasted. Now it's ready. Now I'm going to add the boiled chana. Mix them well. Just cover with the lid and simmer it for a few seconds. It's done. I've kept for 3 minutes. It looks good. I'll plate it. My spicy chana is ready. I'll taste it. It tastes too good. For full recipe, look in my description box below. If you like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel for notifications. Thank you for watching and see you with new recipe. Until then, bye.